Let's get started by opening Visual Studio Code. Launch the application from your desktop or Start menu. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Help. This is your gateway to updates. Now, select Check for Updates. VS Code will automatically search for any available updates. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. Click Update now to start the process. Once the download is complete, VS Code will automatically restart to apply the updates seamlessly. Congratulations! Your Visual Studio Code is now up to date. Enjoy the latest features and improvements. For future updates, remember this simple routine: check regularly to stay up to date. Stay informed about the latest features on the Visual Studio Code website. Explore and enhance your experience. Updating is essential for security and performance. Never skip those updates. If you face any issues, visit the troubleshooting section in the Help menu. Happy coding! Remember, updating regularly helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to stay connected and informed.